Hey, good day. Super excited. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. If you can hear me, put in seven in the comment box. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Let's go, let's go. Hey, Femi Johnson, how are you doing today? Godwin Dada, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, good morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tell me where you're joining from today so we can get started. There's a lot we're going to be doing today, so there's a lot we're going to be doing today. There's a lot we're going to be doing today. Let me know. Let me know if you can hear me. Fantastic. Tell me where you're. Hey, thank you. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's click to share. Let's share, let's share, let's share, let's share. Let's share, let's share. Hey, hello. Good to hear from you. Great, great, great. Let's click to share. Let's do that in the next 1 minute so we can get started. Let's do that in the next 1 minute. Let's do that in the next 1 minute. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fantastic. So let's get busy. Let's get busy. I want to be sure our Instagram audience have it. Crypto, 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 crypto. I'm coming, oh guys. I'm sharing too. Great. So I'm sharing. I need more people to come because what I'm going to be sharing today is deep. Okay, so I've done my part. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Good, 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 good. So as usual, the first thing we always do is to start with the fundamentals. So let me get you guys welcome. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and every Thursday we come in here, we talk about the cryptocurrency market, what we are expecting in the market. I know a lot of you have a lot of bias right now because the market is down, but we are always here to share with you what we are expecting, and that's why I'm really excited about today's session. Again, please permit my voice. I've been really, really very busy with a lot that has to do with my voice. Okay, so please permit me. Okay, so today's crypto session, and we'll call it Crypto Update with Mayowa Owolabi. There's a lot of projects we'll be talking about today, and I'm expecting them to do well in the nearest future. Okay, so get your pen. If you are just joining, make sure you tell us where you're joining from. Click on the share button. Let's take it up from there. So let's start with the fundamental because we want to know what is happening in the fundamental space. Thank you so much for joining. Maxwell, how are you doing today? So, so we'll talk about crypto market, what has happened in the what has happened fundamental wise. So what has happened? The first one we have here updated today is Binance 6 license in Singapore and regulatory crackdown in US. Okay. Uh, so the Asian space has been approving cryptocurrency lately, and it's important that we begin to position ourselves, especially to projects that in the Asian space. Okay, this project will help to, or rather, the reaction that we are getting from the Asian space will allow a lot of projects to fly. Okay, and in June they are opening their system for their people to be able to invest, um, after their regulatory system has been put in place. So position yourself on the initiatives that are happening in the Asian space. So I think that is why Binance is moving uh, to get their license in Singapore. There's another project I've talked about the other time, TKO. Okay, TKO is an exchange like Binance in Asia, and Binance has bought that project completely. We're going to talk about. We're going to check the technical analysis shortly for TKO. Okay, some Bankman Fried bail restriction now depend on these two people. So I don't know. People are really fighting for this guy to come out because investors' money are at stake, especially the politicians. You know, and yeah, I really they just play people. People's money has gone down the drain, and you people are not saying anything. Tell the guy to go to 10 years or 20 years in prison there. But he has invested heavily in the election, so they don't have choice. You know, they will also want to dance to his tune, but it's fine. It's fine. Binance Coin joins the list of coins supported at crypto games. Okay, so that's fine. Former co-lead engineer of FTX charged by SEC. All of them need to be charged. Any top person in FTX, they need to be charged. We need to know what they did with people's money. Okay, Japanese tech and finance giant launch Japan Metaverse economic zone. Oh, Metaverse will go up. Oh. There are some Metaverse projects on in the premium community that we'll be talking about. So we need to be. Let's check what these guys are trying to say. Several Japanese tech and finance companies have kickstarted the launch of one of the biggest metaverse initiatives in Japan. Okay. On February, JCB, okay, microfinance, financial groups, someone, Motio groups, and all of these people signed an agreement to create what they call the Japan Metaverse Economic Zone, the open of multi-purpose metaverse version platform in the virtual world called Roku, Ro- Roguku, Rogukoku, okay, which will be operated by JP Games, okay, the company that will be in charge of the design and experience. Watch out. I'm going to do a research. I'll tell my team to do a research on their projects. Metaverse projects or games. You have to do a research. You have to do a research on that to know their game. This guy. This is a launch pad. So we need to do, okay, I'll tell my team to do a research on their projects, okay, so that we can find a way to connect with them. The idea behind it is adapting, updating Japan through the power of games. And the game industry has been amazing. A lot of the launch pads, VCs, they have over 35% of their portfolio is on games. Over 35% of their portfolio is on games. A lot of these VCs. So don't ignore metaverse, don't ignore NFT, please. The next bull run, don't ignore these two categories. Binance use customer funds for its own purpose in a similar way to FTX scandal. All these things, man, I don't believe them. It's just news. Binance teams up with Lei Wound Yield to launch crypto exchange. Where? Where? Oh, where? Go and check projects in Asia. I told you guys last week. Don't sleep on them. Oh. With the next bull run, they are going to be delivering 100x. So I gave you 5 last week. Native token exchange. So we need to know the exchange. We need to know the exchange that Binance is co-founding. You need to check. So we have Korea Exchange, South Korea Crypto Exchange. We have GoPax is one of the 5. Hobbit, BitUp, Coin One. So we need to analyze these 5 and check the investors in it this week. I'll check these 5. I need to know the one that they are co-founding so that we can position ourselves in on that kind of project. Okay, preceding the alliance with Leo, the world largest cryptocurrency platform acquired a majority stake in Copax. So I think it's Copax, guys. I think it's Copax. The deal was funded by the Industry Recovery Initiative, which exchange established in November to help reduce further cascading negative effects of FTX collapse. At the time, CEO Binance committed $1 billion to this public address. Eh? Guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The collapse of FTX. We need to know the project. It's not listed yet. So that should be an assignment for us. The exact details weren't disclosed, but according to the report, local media outlet Dental Brooklyn, Binance bought 42% of the stake from CEO. The largest shareholder will maintain the current representative system. I think it's just GoPax. We need to know these GoPax, guys. Let's check, let's check, let's check, let's check. No time. Binance it's GoPax. So yeah, it's GoPax. So where is GoPax? So let me switch to let's go and check GoPax. No, I'm not sure this project is live, but I think I've checked on it before. Copax token, coin. He's seen it as an exchange. I've checked this before. So they don't have their own token yet. Wow. $6.6 million. That's their trading volume daily. So I have to do a research on how to buy. What is their native token? Because I've read this before. So let's position ourselves for that group action. Okay. Visa and MasterCard pause crypto push in wake of the industry web meltdown. A lot of major investors are slowing down their volume. The collapse of FTN does not discredit cryptocurrency. We know. Okay. We know that. So because of our time, let's go to fear and greed quick. I need to take some water, guys. Hey, Catherine. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Um, Olatomiwa, good afternoon. eBay from Port Harcourt. Good to have you. Jamil Sikiru from Ikeja. Good to have you. Delmar Academy. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, my brother. Thanks for yesterday's trade. You're welcome, my brother. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. So let's finish. Let's go to the fear and greed. The fear and greed is back to 51. Last week it was 56. So it's now back to neutral. Okay, like I told you, the time to buy is when it's at anything below 10. The time to sell is anything above 85. That's the time to. So this is basically medium. This time to just be trading, buy 10%, 3%, go out, basically. This is not the full time. Okay, so buy. So fear and greed is on 51. Okay, good. So let's get to it. What project do you like us to start with? As usual, we always start with Bitcoin. We always start with Bitcoin. We always start with Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin saying? What project do you guys want us to analyze today? Let's go technical right now. Okay, Bitcoin is still around 23 for the past 7 days. It's been ranging between 24 and 23 for the past 7 days since last week. So like I said, I want this guy to come down. He has to come down before that volume can go. So what I see happening is that I see it drop down to around 18. Then we can take a short journey, a short buy to 45. Then we sell from 45 to 12, 13, 10, 9. Then we'll be good to go. But right now, this guy is caged. And when he's caged, you have to be very careful. Okay. Likewise on Ethereum. Ethereum too is struggling. For the past 7 days, it's been stopped here between 17,000 and 16,000. Okay, so that means nothing is really happening, guys. Nothing is really happening. Nothing is really happening. Let's check Solana. A lot of you have spoken about Solana, and I said I prefer to buy Solana from 11. I'll start investing into Solana. Anything below 11. Anything below 11, I'll be buying Solana, and I'll wait for Solana to go back to the all-time high. That is anything around 250. And that should give us close to about 2,000%. Guys, don't sleep on it. Solana is going to be very, very clean. Very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. But right now, it's not meeting my technical analysis. Okay, it's not meeting it. But anything below 11, I'll start buying. I'll start buying Solana for a long-term move. Okay, it's currently at this low zone. So anything I'll be buying, it has to be really low. But Solana is a project you don't want to miss, because the last bull run, Solana gave us let me bring the measurement to the last bull run. Solana gave us 800%. Okay, between 2001 to 2022, between 2001 to the end of 2021. Okay, throughout 2001, and since then he's been going down. So the next bull run, if you go by extension, Solana should give us minimum 320, minimum 320. And if you buy it from where it is right now, oh my, crazy gun, guys. About 2,600%, which is very, very good. Very, very good. Any project you guys want us to work on, right? Hey. Fantastic. One of us said we should check sand. Let's check sand. Let's check sand. We'll check sand. Then OMG. Let's check. We'll check sand. We'll check sand. We'll check OMG. Then Catherine is saying, which Asian coin should one buy? Okay, so we'll talk about, I spoke about 5 of them last week. Just that they are still high now, so then we can allow it go down. We should check WIN too. Okay, WIN is on my radar because it's one of the projects by Binance. It's not the project by Binance. It's not the project by Binance. Win should buy. Win. Win should buy. Okay, so any other project? So let's check out number one. Let's check out Win. Win is part of the win. Win. So let's check Win. So the only place I'll buy Win is if Win can come back here at I'm looking to buy Win from here. Anything below 0.0008. That's how I'll be looking to buy Win. Anything below 0.008. I'll drop this analysis. I'll drop this analysis on the crypto group. And I'll hold this Win for the next 2 years. I'll hold it for the next 2 years. So I'm not bothered. If you like, I'll just wait for the completion of the bull run. Because the last bull run, Win gave us about 3,000%. So this next run, it should be able to give us more than 3,000%. This next run. I can also check what type of project is Win. I've always told you, you can use you can use Cypher to check don't put money in a. I've told you, don't follow YouTubers. You will work hard and you now come and follow YouTuber. It's not wisdom. It's not wisdom. This is Win. Check who are the people in charge. Know who are the people in charge where you are putting your money. Win portfolio. You only have Blink inside. Okay. Check their medium. Let me check their medium. Please don't just. I don't want to log in. Check their medium, check everywhere. They're telling us that Win is a token that provide wealth redistribution. Okay, I know it's a gambling project. Okay. It's a gaming project for gambling and lottery. I know that one. So if your spirit does not go with um, if your spirit does not go with what's it called, or does not go with project like Wink Investors, you know, you have to be careful. Wink has four investors: Sarah Cap Ventures, Flying Point Industry. How much funding did we raise? We raised $6 million. That's their funding capacity. No, all this thing. If there is no investor, it's not a project. Oh. That's part of my premium service. Oh. I'm giving you free now. Sarah is involved. Okay, they put money. Sarah Cap Ventures. Study who is Sarah Cap Ventures. What do they do? Who is Flying Point Industry? Who is Senos Bay Capital? What do they do? Which country are they? Canes is a US company. What about Tentra? Tentra is which country is this one? You have to check them. This is where, don't just say, oh, Mr. Mayowa say I should put money. I'm not telling you to put money. I'm telling you what I must see to put my money. So because some of you want somebody to tell you to put money. No, it's not somebody. Nobody should tell you. It's you. And you can see the money came in. Their latest funding was raised in January this year. So I'm seeing over 70% is telling me that, Mayowa, this is a project you should not miss. So this is how to put money in project. Oh. Don't just say it will go up. Oh. It's not a project that will go up if the investors are not putting money. If there are no people putting money, it's a meme coin. It's a coin that will be driven by community. And I've told you how many percentage are you to have. How many percentage are you to have for project that does not have investors and does not have team? How many? Tell me. How many percentage? I've told you guys before. Any project that does not have use case, that does not have all those things, I've told you, only put 10% of your entire portfolio. If not, they will tell you sorry. And if you don't want the world to tell you sorry, you must give yourself brain to put your money where it should be, the right place, not where you want. Where you want is the project. Where it should be is where it's safe. Oh, quotable quote. Where you want to put your money is in any project. Where you should put it is where, hey, that's quotable quote. Okay, so that's my bias for win. That's my bias for win. Are you excited about that? What's the name of the project? Win. W-I-N-K. Wink. W-I-N-K. Wink. So I'm expecting it to come down lower, more lower, so that I can get a more discounted uh, view. Join the crypto group so that you can see the technical analysis there. Good. So let's go to the next one. Another person says we should check Sand. Sand is a good project. Sand is a good project. And the investors are not smiling. Sand is a very good project. Sand is a very good project. It's a metaverse project. And I see go it going to $15 in the next bull run. It's a very good project. So currently, I will start buying sand anything below 33 cents. Anything from 30 cents, I'll start buying sand. Anything that I can't buy right now, I'll start buying. And if I can put in $500 on, if I can put in, there's a calculator I used to use. If I put in if I put in $500 inside, this is how to calculate your, why is it taking time to load? Let me refresh. It's taking too much time to load. So if I put in let me put in sand out. Where's sand? This is sand. So this is sand. Sand is around 68 cents. If I put in $500 in sand, let's say $300 because some of you might not have 500. If I put in $300 in sand and I am willing to sell it at $15, ready to send at $15. Oh, I can grow 300 to 15 to 6,200. That's not bad. But this will not happen in next week. This can happen maybe in 2 years or 3 years. Or let's say it should go to $10. Its all-time high. What's its all-time high? Its all-time high for sand. All-time high for sand is 8.5. So let's do 8.5. 8.5 to the all-time high. Okay. So $300 can actually give you $3,000 in 2 to 3 years. Good business or bad business, guys? This is how to select an investor. Tell me. Are you guys learning? So you must know what you are expecting, how you are expecting it. How can I join WhatsApp group? We don't have WhatsApp group. We have Telegram group. That's the link for Telegram group. That's the link for Telegram group. Okay, so Ekene Paul says we should check OMG. Let's check OMG. Let's check OMG. OMG. Sorry. OMG is not bad. It's in a good location. But who are the people that has money in OMG? What's OMG doing? What's the project OMG is solving? Hmm? What's the use case for OMG? I'm seeing established in 2017, subsidiary of these people, is a network, is the quickest and most affordable way to transfer Ethereum without restriction. So it's a payment solution. Number one, it's cheap. Okay. It's also a layer two project on Ethereum. So who are the people involved? Chan Capital, I don't know them. Marvin 11, I know Marvin 11. I know Ash Capital. Let's go. These are great guys. I know Pantera. I have three major guys here. I know Pantera. So this is a project one can check out for long term. Okay, what's their all-time high? Their all-time high is what? 19. So if you put $200, let's stick with $200, okay? Because of that's what some people can afford. Let's go to OMG. OMG, all-time high 19, 19 or 18? 19. Let's say $20. Okay. That's your $200 can go to $2,900 in 2, 3 years. Good business, not a bad one at all. Anybody that says it's bad, you should go and carry gun. $200 to $2,200. It's not a bad transaction at all, at all, at all, at all. Okay, so it's a good project, but if I want to buy, if I'm the one buying, I can buy. I can buy now, or wait for this. I can buy at 108, one point. I can start buying at one. Anything around one, I start buying. Okay, so when you buy this kind of project, don't wait for the process. Wait for the process. Wait for the process. Okay, that's for OMG. Okay, OMG. One of us mentioned the project, Asia project. We spoke about Neo last week, and I said Neo is a good project, and it's an Asian coin. But I said we need to wait for it to come to $8 from $8 to the all-time high. All-time high $200. It's not a. You need to know Neo. Put $200. Put $200. If I buy it at 8 and the all-time high is 199, that $200 would have gone to $4,000. But can you wait? Can you wait 2 years? $200 to $4,000 is a lot of profit. It's a lot of profit, but you have to wait. So Asia, we talked about that last week. We talked about Neo last week. We talked about Q2M, the Asian project. Okay, we spoke about Q2M. And I said last week that Q2M need to come back. It's not a bad place to buy. These projects are not at bad places. It's at $3. If you buy at $3 now, all time high 36. So you have to be able to check all of this out. They are in good location, but I still feel that they will come down because of Bitcoin. That's my bias. I can be wrong. I can be wrong. So on the Telegram group, okay, I've spoken about Bitcoin and Ethereum. As there's a project that's I've spoken about Win. Win is a very good project. Meme coin. People want meme coin, but meme coin person, because meme coin will just collect your money and teach you, teach you well. Teach you well. Somebody should check Reef. I've been holding this Reef for a long time. For a long time. So one of the projects I will give you guys today is called, are you ready? It's called Moonwell. Are you ready? Well, my voice will be back soon. Moonwell is not listed here. Moonwell is not listed here. So let's go and check Moonwell. Hey, so we can't project price yet. So let's go to Moonwell. Okay. If you come here, Moonwell currently is a project is around is $1, 1 cent, sorry, currently. Okay. The market cap is 4 million. 24 hours volume is 1.6 million. Okay. Is a project that is run under Moonbeam. And his all-time high so it's a project I'm looking at, but the challenge I have, I need to see a retracement. But fundamental wise, you want to know the people involved. Want to know the people involved before you put in your money. No matter who is saying it, it's a different project. Okay, look at the people in it. Oh. Coin Ventures, Coinbase money is inside this project. So that's a good one. I think Coinbase is the core guy, and Arrington. Those are the two core investors that I know here. So that means they pass stability. Okay. And it's a project uh, under Polkadot Moonbeam. Okay. So this is a good project, very good project that I will be willing to hold for the next bull run. But technically speaking, I have an issue with the project because it's high right now. But it's not bad though. And it's available on KuCoin. It's available on KuCoin. I need to see a retracement. How I wish I saw it last week or last month. Okay. How I wish I saw it last month. This project can do $1 with ease. And if it currently from where it is right now, if you put $100, in it from where it is right now, you have 7,000 moonbeam, 7,600 moonbeam. If you put money, if you put money in it right now, okay, if you put money in it right now, you have 7,000 of this. So if the price of moonbeam goes to $1, that's 7,000. That's $7,000. That's $7,600 in 2 years. Good business or bad business? Tell me. If it goes to $1, that's $7,600. That's what your $100 would have gone to. Are you excited about that, guys? So Moonbeam is on my radar. Moonbeam is on my radar. Sorry, not Moonbeam. Moonwell. Moonwell is on my radar. I'll be holding it for the next 2 to 3 years. Okay. What will you say now? What will you say before I change my mind? What will you say before I change my mind? I'll remove it. What will you say to my team, guys? So I strongly feel that Moonbeam, Moonwell, if you can hold Moonwell for the next bull run, those two investors, they are people that make sense. I know there are other people that are holding this project. Okay, there are other people that are holding this project. You know, there are other people that are holding this project. And we're gonna be good today. Hey, Gabriel, good day, boss. How you doing? Not moonwalk, oh, moon, moon well, conga, moon well, moon and well, moon well, moon well. Investors in Moonwell. Moonwell is a DeFi and an open lending platform. and it runs on Moonbeam. And the investors right now, as a matter of fact, it, people that bought it on Launchpad, they are negative right now because the Launchpad price was at 2 cents and currently is at 1 cent. So Harrington is a good investor. Coin Venture is a good investor. Coinbase. Okay. iPassfair is not a bad cap. It's not a bad VC. It's not a bad VC. So it's moved well. And the way you can buy it is KuCoin. Where you can buy it is KuCoin. Where you can buy it is KuCoin. Okay, people say I'm late. My apology. You're okay. Gabriel, have you been informed about our session on Saturday? Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Hope I've been able to help answer your questions. If this is your first time, make sure you go get my books on cryptocurrency. And get my books on cryptocurrency, 21 cryptocurrency checklist. I was watching Enoch. I can imagine. I have to rewatch. I have to watch the replay. Me and my wife. Yeah. Today's daddy's birthday. Oh, fantastic. We're having a meeting on Saturday. So reach out to Bukola if you don't have my book on cryptocurrency checklist. Cryptocurrency checklist. Cryptocurrency checklist is 10,000 naira. You get it for 5,000 naira. That's 50% discount. It's about $15. You get it for 7.5 or $8. Get it. I poured my heart in this book. If you don't buy any project without this book. Don't buy any project. Either I'm the one telling you to buy it, or YouTubers or researchers. Understand where your money is going to. Some of you have $10,000 to invest. You don't want to buy a book that will help you to know where to put the $10,000. You're on your own. You're on your own. Reach out to Bukola, and if you're interested in joining the mastermind group where I explain the projects, you will also get. Mr. Mayowa, your voice is better today. Yeah, thanks to my wife. Thank God. Yeah. Please, Ada. What do you want me to tell about Ada? Reach out to Bukola on this number. You are getting the book. And if you are joining, you want to have access to all my assets. that are VC, that are investor based. Okay, we have 10 projects. Did I say 10? 14 projects that are less than 0.00, that they are in 0.00 projects, 0.00 project that you can put in. Jesus, you can put in $100 to make $10,000. Yeah, and all of them, their project, they have good use case. They have good use cases. So reach out to Bukola. She will get you started. You also have access. You have access to how to select the project. How I get that project is a lot of work. Okay, this week alone, I and my research team, we were on. We spent close to about 13 hours on crypto project this week. 13 hours this week. 13 hours this week. So if you want all those things free, you can't get it free. Okay, so you have to be in the mastermind group. Reach out to the number on the screen so that she can get you started. And if you just want to, you want to build a portfolio and you have over $50,000 to invest, reach out to her. She will get you a private session with me. Okay, if you have over $50,000 to invest, okay, I'll consult for you. I'll build, I'll help you. I'll help you. I don't have time for less than $50,000. But if you have 50,000 portfolio and you want me to be involved, I would work with you for the next 3 years. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I look forward to your success. My name is Owolabi. I'll see you guys on Saturday, 7 p.m., where we'll talk about business. Have a pleasant evening. God bless you. Bye-bye for now. Let's go.